Hello everyone, welcome to my Leadler review. And Leadler is a software which is going to launch on Order Plus by Venkatesh on 2nd November at 11 a.m. EST time. Leadler is actually an email marketing software that helps you to build massive email list, and you can send unlimited emails using this software. So see, I will cover these following points on this Leadler review. I will explain what is Leadler actually, how it works, and Leadler full live demo. This is the members area of Leadler. I will explain the full live demo overview, and then why you need Leadler. There are lots of reasons why you need Leadler, and I will also explain the benefits of Leadler, the upgrades of Leadler software, and the discount coupon details. You will get some discount when you try to purchase Leadler, and all about my exclusive bonus bundle worth over $33,000. See the bonuses. I will cover this section. So what is actually Leadler? Okay, so Leadler is world's first smart lead generation platform that allows one-click opt-in of verified leads, read again verified leads, and one-click opt-in, and also get free autoresponder with your own SMTP server. That's why the leads will be very engaging, cause this is verified leads, and your inbox rate will be very high cause you are using your own SMTP, and you don't need to pay for monthly expenses for different autoresponders, cause you will get free autoresponder inside Leadler. And Leadler is a brand new solution that lets you send unlimited emails every day and helps you gain thousands of high quality and high converting leads to your email. So this is very awesome. And see then how it works. Okay, so go to the demo, live demo. See, this is the members area of Leadler software. You first need to log in to get instant access into this members area. This is the dashboard. First you need to integrate your social media account like Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, and you all know that the leads collected from LinkedIn is very high qualified leads. You can sell big products to them, and Twitter is also awesome, and Google. So you need to add this network by add new. Just click add new, and you need to authorize by Twitter, same like Google and LinkedIn. Just click add new and link to your social account here. Then you need to go to the campaign section. See, this is the campaign, the previous campaign. You just need to create a new campaign. Okay, so just give a campaign name. I am just giving the campaign name, for example, affiliate marketing. I am just giving this as example. Then tag, description, then redirect URL. This means the affiliate link or your page from after the opt-in to which page you want to redirect your audience. This is the redirect URL. You can enable GDPR consent for visitors, and you can also attach tracking pixel. That means by doing this you also getting that tracking pixel, and using this you can later run Google ads, Facebook ads, or different type of ads at very cheap price. So you have the option to attach tracking pixel, and these GDPR consents for visitor will help you to inbox very high rate. So you need to enable GDPR consent for visitors, and I suggest you to use this tracking pixel because it will help you later when you use the ad service at very cheap. And this is the social networks. You just need to add, and there are lots of some options. See, and you can also check mark this the autofill parameters to target URL. Keep this default, and the opt-in will be first name, last name and email. Then just click submit. Your campaign will be created, and I must encourage you to go to the training section and see all the training videos that how this software works, as you can use the best practice to and learn how to run the software properly. So first see the training module, then you go see the campaign is created, see, then you go to the links section. Here you need to click new link, see the select campaign. This is the campaign. So we have created this affiliate marketing campaign. You need to give the target URL for facing up, and you need to write for your purpose something and click submit. So the link will be generated. See, this is the link, we can check it. I am just showing you as example, okay. See, this will appear like this, and you can find all the leads here when the opt-in will be opted into your page, and you can send unlimited emails, text, SMS and social message to your leads. So this is very awesome, and you can also export or import mail. If you have a pre-existing email list, you can import directly here, because it has its own SMTP server. You can send unlimited emails to your leads at very higher rate. So this is fantastic. So this is all about the simple demo, and this has some limited use, because this is actually JP access. When you purchase the actual access of this software, you will get all the options to work. So the next is why you need Leadler. See, the pricing, just focus on the pricing matter, because Leadler is one-time fee. You can send unlimited emails, you can import and you can collect emails, and you can drag and drop email builder. So you have everything. You have option to import email, that most of the email marketing software doesn't prefer to import your email list, but you can import your unlimited email list into this, and you can send unlimited emails just for one time fee, and you don't need to pay any monthly fee. And you can also customize your emails by drag and drop email template. So you have everything. So just think, this is for get response. See what the pricing for 1000 list. They are charging $12 per month for basic plan. Professional plan $80 per month. See, if you select, this is the minimum size of list. See, this is $20 per month. And if you go to ever, see, for 500 subscriber you need to pay $17 per month. And if you choose this, you need to pay $26 per month on ever per month. Just think, per month you need to pay this. And this is Centlen. See, for this is the minimum plan. For growth plan up to 5,000 contacts, you need to pay $100 per month, and for professional it's $250 per month. So this saying what you need to go for, because you have everything and lots of more function and features in Leadler, and you need to just pay one time fee, and you have lots of feature and function. So what are the benefits of Leadler? See the benefits point. You can send unlimited emails, SMS, text and social media messages using this Leadler software, and you don't need to pay any monthly subscription fee like these softwares. it's just one time, so no costly ongoing monthly subscription to pay, and you can build your list with just one click opt-in for users. I have shown you how it works, just one link, and you will get 100% verified email address instantly. There will be no junk email address. You will just get 100% verified email address, the email address which actually exists. You will get this type of verified email address instantly from this software, and you will have the facility to get your emails go straight to the inbox. This is very important. Your emails will go to the straight direct to the inbox, not junk or spam folders. This is very important, and this is 100% beginner friendly. You don't need to know the coding language or any other expertise to run this software, and it has easy to use drag and drop design template, and you can choose from range of stunning templates to design your email, and you can send email and SMS text with just one click using this Leadler software, and you have no restrictions, no limitations on email addresses. Most of the software put restrictions on emails, and there are lots of problems when to do email marketing. And you can mail your list as often as you want. You can send email as much you want, and as whenever time, whatever the amount, doesn't matter. You can mail your list as often as you want, and you can make huge profits every time you send an email. You know that if you build a targeted email list, you when you send a email broadcast, you will make money. This is for sure, because money is in the list, and you will get high quality, high converting leads to make more money, and you will stay compliant with CAN spam and GDPR regulations. So this is very important. Your SMTP must include this, and you can build your email list using social media or powerful one-click opt-in management system, and you will enjoy 72% higher opt-in rate. I have told you that your engagement and your inbox rate will very high, so you will get 72% higher opt-in rate than normal opt-in pages. This is very important. Just you will increase the opt-in rate, so you will collect more emails, and your inbox rate will more high, and discover what works and what doesn't. With built-in analytics, you will have the analytical features in there in the actual copy of this software, and you will get 24/7 live support, expert support. So whenever you face any problem, you can support to the team. So this is very awesome, and here we will discuss the upgrades of the Leadler. See, the first one is front end. The front end is, you will get all the main features of Leadler in the front end price. The price is $17, and you will get some discount. The discount price is $12, and the first upgrade is Auto 1, upgrade 1. This is the Pro version. With Pro version, you can create unlimited campaigns and generate unlimited leads without any restriction. I suggest to use the Pro version because you have no limitation, just for $32, and down sell is $27. With the $27, we will have the full facility of a email marketing software, because you have no restriction with this, the Pro version. Okay, and the upgrade 2, the Auto 2 is done for you template. So more done for you template, done for you swipes, done for you campaigns. The price is $57, and down sell is $47. And the upgrade 3 is Auto 3 is enterprise version, and in this, users the ability to start a brand new business by providing lead generation services to client. If you own an agency business, or if you are a businessman, you can go for this enterprise version, because you can provide the full lead generation service to your client. This is the enterprise. The price is $67, and down sell is $47. And the upgrade 4 is done for you setup. Everything will be done for you. If you don't want to do it anything by yourself, then you need this done for you setup option. And this is 147 and discount is $100 nearly. And the auto 5 is Fortune 500 profit. They will give you 500 of their best selling products, and the price is 37 and discount price is 27. This is very effective, because when you have email marketing software, when you have email list, so you need the products to sell to your list, and they have their best selling products, so you can get this, and you will have the approval link for all the products with this. And this is golden membership upgrade 6. So this is the $37 price. It will comes with commercial license. And the upgrade 7 is reseller rights. That means you will keep the 100% commission on the whole funnel, the whole system. By the reseller rights, you will get 100% profit by selling Leadler to your clients with reseller lines and license, and you will keep the 100% commission. This is the price. So this is about the upgrades. So the discount coupon details. See, when you go to the Leadler sales page, just go to the cursor button, you will get some discount. Okay, so it's now I will talk about my exclusive bonus bundle. See, I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase through my link, you will get all the bonus automatically on your access page as affiliate bonus. So the first bonus is YouTube Velocity. This is a software for bringing set and free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. This is a fantastic. This is a MIP, a software for creating discovery ad course and a bonus page generator software. And this is a Shina software. This is a software for also bring free buyer traffic in your chosen niche. And this is Genovia software. This is also cool software. And this is Cleopatra. This is the traffic software for bringing free buyer traffic from LinkedIn. I am giving these bonuses because you need traffic. When you have the email autoresponder, email marketing software, you need traffic. First to build your list, then to build your list, and third to build your list. And for that you need traffic. That's why I focused on the traffic section, and using this software and methods you will get lots of free traffic method strategy. So this is actually a software which will bring you free buyer traffic from LinkedIn, and you know LinkedIn is a business social media, and the leads on LinkedIn is very high quality, and this software will help you to bring those leads and traffic from LinkedIn. So I use it myself. This is fantastic, and you will get as bonus. Okay, and this is Golden Stash. This is a domain flipping software. This is TweetX software. This is a software for bringing free buyer traffic from Twitter. This is also a traffic software you need. Then this is Forget About Broke. This is a unique strategy that by Johnny Rose that get newbies sales consistently in their free time. This is a fantastic course you need to see. This is the Nova. This is a actually Chrome extension software that allows to follow targeted audience on TikTok. This is very trending. You need to use this if you want to get traffic from TikTok. Then Lazy Traffic is Sniper. This is a brand new solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. And this is List Lariat. This is a step-by-step course for email list building. Let's see. And Aerial Session. This is a free traffic method strategy to get affiliate commission. This is a very 100% proven method. Then Midas Task. This is a brand new step-by-step training method to make a daily real affiliate commission or score building strategy. Then Traffic Underdog. This is all about the traffic methods. This is a 6-figure secret. This is a fantastic course for building your 6-figure business model. And then Traffic Booster, see. Then Affiliate Take Up. This is a very newbie friendly method and very fast method. Anyone, if you are newbie or you want very fast result, this course is for you, because this can make you money within just 24 hours and anyone can do this. This is Affiliate Take Up. And the Super Shakedown, this is an awesome affiliate marketing course. Then Profit Scope, you can hijack big affiliates traffic, okay, and commission by placing your offer over the top of theirs. This is fantastic way to hijack the big affiliate traffic as your own and make sales. And this is the Profit Force. This is the brand new profit system. You can use it very easily. This is the Octagon software. And Elevate, this is very awesome software to automate the cash in profit technology. This is Accelerate software, how to leverage free traffic to make high ticket commissions. We all know the high ticket commissions is very trending now. People are very fascinating and desperate to make high ticket commissions, and this method will teach you how to leverage free traffic to make high ticket commissions. So there are lots of methods and software here. I can't show you all. I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase through my link, you will get all of these bonuses automatically on your access page as affiliate bonus.
Email
And
marketing
this
is the best way.
Sales page. For discount details, you will get some discount on. See, after reloading the sales page, go to the cursor button, you will get $3 to $5 discount, and it will save $3 to $5 on front end. See, so don't forget to take this discount and don't forget to get my exclusive bonus bundle. So this is all about Leadler demo and review. So go to my final opinion, my verdict. This is highly recommended because Leadler makes mastering email marketing a doodle even without any previous experience, technical knowledge or coding skill. This is very simple. Anyone can use this. You already have seen this. And people love email. It's instant, quick to read. It helps connect people all around the world so much so that the email marketing industry is set to earn a $22 billion per year within the next 3 years. This is very high in demand industry, and Leadler is the brand new solution that lets you send unlimited emails every day, helps you gain thousands of high quality, high converting leads to email, and there are lots of features I have discussed with you. You can do this, and this is the alternative of this email marketing software, and you will get also my exclusive bonuses, and you will also get vendor special bonuses. See, you will also get these bonuses inside the member area. See, this is the vendor special bonus. Infinite Webinar, the world's most powerful artificial intelligence based webinar software that creates unlimited done for you webinar for huge profits. And then Insta Profit app, one click cloud based little app drives autopilot traffic for you. You need traffic to build list, so you need this type of bonuses. Then Affiliate Easy, this is fast automated affiliate review site that builds and earn commission for you completely autopilot. Then Flippa Cash Secret, internet marketing methods case study, FB group. These are the vendor special bonus. You will find this bonus under here, inside the members area, and you will get my exclusive bonuses inside the access page as affiliate bonus. So this is all about my Leadler review. I hope this Leadler review will help you to make your purchase decision. If you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as you notified every time when I upload a new video. So thanks for watching my Leadler review. This is for today. See you soon.